Great job leveling up your Python programs with input and print. Your custom calculator is just one example of all of the interactive programs that you could build to solve a problem, create a game, or design an app. Input and print are both built-in functions in Python. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to build our own custom functions. A function is a piece of code that wraps up multiple operations into a single task. Once you define a function, you can use it to repeat all of the steps of the task whenever you need to. This morning, I made pancakes for breakfast, and in order to make them, I had to mix the dry ingredients in a bowl, stir in the egg and the milk, cook the pancakes, and then serve and eat them. In order to make pancakes again in the future, I'll follow the same recipe in the same order. In programming, encapsulating a set of instructions in a function allows you to run those instructions again later without typing out each step again. So if I created a make pancakes function, that function would have all of the steps in the recipe. When I use that function, Python will follow the recipe step by step, as many times as I want to make pancakes in the future.